PDM Studio, the open, high-performance solution for managing product data. In this video we will introduce you to the NX integration in PDM Studio using the example of single part creation and drawing derivation. When creating a new document, you can be assisted by a wizard. First, select the appropriate CAD template with all settings. In the following input mask you enter the master data for the document. This mask is individually configurable and can consist of input fields, list fields or even calculated fields where the information comes from external sources. For example, the material field is filled directly from the CAD. Fields highlighted in red are required entries. You decide which information is mandatory. In this way, you ensure uniform, high data quality. After this step, NX starts and you can begin creating the part. After you have created the model, you assign the associated material in NX. You can also make changes to the master data directly in NX without changing the application. The material information has also been transferred to PDM Studio. The data is therefore always synchronized in CAD and in data management. All documents that are currently being edited by yourself are displayed here and additionally marked by a green font color. When you select a document, all information is displayed and updated. In this case, for example, the master data with the material transferred from the CAD. Now we have a drawing created for the 3D model. Again, you will be assisted by a wizard that will guide you through the process. After you have selected the drawing template, the values from the 3D model are taken over according to the individual configuration. The drawing is thus also completely synchronous. The model is now placed on the sheet with the appropriate scale and the specified orientation. In the title block, the information assigned in PDM Studio is adopted and displayed. To do this, we use the property information in the document, which is entered and maintained via PDM Studio. You can quickly and easily create the individual design of a title block yourself using the familiar tools and techniques in NX. Special knowledge is not necessary. In PDM Studio, we immediately see a direct link between the 3D model and the associated drawing. Now that we have opened the 3D model for further changes, we also want to open the associated drawing directly, without changing the application. By updating the drawing with the changed model, all data are also on the same status. When you have made all the changes, you release the document and thus pass it on to the next phase of its life cycle, which is also freely definable and supported by a wizard. The structure and the master data of the document are displayed again for you to check. After the process has run through, the status in PDM Studio also changes. In this case, PDM Studio is configured so that after a drawing is approved, a PDF is created and automatically included in PDM Studio. If you would like to learn how quickly and easily you can make these configurations yourself, feel free to check out our information on PDM Studio Automation Designer. For more information, please visit us on www.pdm-studio.tech/en.